I have a truth to tell you, but will you listen all the way through? What if I told you the exact steps on how to live a fulfilled life, as opposed to one that would have you feeling limited? Knowing how to attract abundance will help you avoid the dangers of limited thinking and fortify your mindset so that you can continue to create and move forward on your journey to becoming the best version of you. Hi, I'm HC, and here are the 4 steps to attracting abundance. Step 1. Be yourself. It is important to accept that by parading around as someone else, you are subconsciously attracting the good and the bad of their world, not your world. And this will likely keep you in a perpetual state of confusion. Think of it this way. If you dress up as a clown, laugh, talk, and act like a clown, you are likely to attract the clown life. Everywhere you go, you will be treated as a clown and expected to do clown things. You might be sad about this and blame everyone else for treating you in a way that you do not want to be treated. But that will end when you realize that you are likely to attract what you are. Therefore, by acting like someone or something that you're not, you are likely to attract things that are not necessarily fit for your life. Being yourself will help you attract abundance because you are the only one that could continuously be you forever. Think of being you as a resource. You have you in abundance. Thus, by being the best version of you at all times, you will attract things that are the best for you in abundance. Step 2. Let go. There are many things that you are currently holding on to that is blocking abundance from entering your life. Think of it like this literal door. Yes, you can open the door to receive. However, by holding on to so many things, you may be clogging the door and leaving no room for the blessings that you want to enter into your life. These things that you are holding on to could be literal things. For example, let's say you were in love with someone or spent a significant period of your life engulfed in a relationship with a person that has since broken your heart. Holding on to memorabilia of the relationship and idolizing items that they gave to you could be fogging your perception of new relationships and thus blocking you from ever experiencing another person to that degree. These things that you may be holding on to could also be perceptions, concepts, ideas, and habits that you identify with. But it is important to accept that if you hold on to what was, how can you ever truly experience what is? And how could you truly appreciate what is to come? Let go and let be. Step 3. Find your peace. Be thankful. To find your peace is to accept and enjoy and make the most of what is in order to attract what is to come. Give yourself the opportunity to be free of any desire at all and to have complete trust and faith that greatness is on its way to you and it is just for you to appreciate it when it comes. This means to avoid neglecting your current reality because you believe it's not what you think it should be or want it to be in this moment. It is important to appreciate that what is yours will be yours. Therefore, there is no reality that exists that it cannot be. And because what is meant to be must be, by stressing about it to become, the only thing that you are doing is enjoying less of what life has to offer in this moment. Think of it this way. Let's say you're a child and your parents begin buying you toys for the first time. Yet, instead of playing with the toys that they bought, examining the toy to try to appreciate it, or even acknowledging the toy at all, you pout in your corner, seemingly annoyed. What do you think this would signal to your parents? Do you think that it encourages them to ever buy you new toys ever again? Life can be seen in the same way. If you do not find peace and appreciate what life has been offering you and is currently offering you, why should you be given more than what you already have? Always remember, being thankful for what is today will encourage the appreciation of more on the morrow. And our last step, and could be our most important step, Step 4, work on yourself. To work on yourself is to change the way you think about success and the things that you want. Instead of chasing what you believe that you want, become that which what you want would want. And then instead of having to chase it, that abundant reality would chase you because you would be naturally attracting it. Think of it or imagine it in the following parable. There was a farmer that had a stubborn cow that just would not move. The farmer would watch the cow eat, drink, and sleep in the exact same spot. And all the farmer wanted was for the cow to move, like all of his other cattle. The farmer spent all of his days trying everything he could to move the cow. He tried scaring the cow, pulling the cow, pushing the cow, but nothing would have the cow move. Yet, every day, he kept incessantly trying and stressing and trying, until one day his cousin, Simple Simon, came over and he told Simple Simon about his problem with the cow. Simple Simon simply asked the farmer, "What's the cow's favorite treat?" And the farmer said it was strawberries. Simple Simon simply walked over to the cow and hovered some strawberries over the cow, and slowly fed the cow strawberries, as the cow delightfully walked with him anywhere that he went. He led the cow. In this parable, you can see that constantly overthinking and pushing to find the answers did not help the farmer or change his situation. However, changing the way you thought about the scenario and considering instead, what does the cow want, changes the dynamic. You created value for the cow, and now the cow is drawn to you with little to no effort at all. Now think of the abundant life that you want as the cow in this example. Create the best vessel or attraction for that life, and it will want to be a part of you and find you wherever and in any situation that you find yourself in. By working on yourself and becoming the best person fit for the life that you want to receive, you begin to attract the things that a person of that stature would have in their lives. This sounds simple, but simplicity is often the key that we overlook. So that's it, Howell family. Those are the 4 steps on how to attract abundance and start moving forward today. Are there any that I missed? Let me know in the comment section. Like and share this video, and consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. I'll see you here next time on Howell Consultations, the how-to being true to you.